Have you ever wondered why so many people who earn well still feel like they're barely getting ahead? It's an uncomfortable truth. Making more money doesn't automatically make you financially free. For most middle class and lower upper middle class earners in the US and Europe, the more you make, the more trapped you can feel. Think about that for a second. You're earning a decent salary, your friends are buying cars, going on vacations, upgrading their apartments, and yet, somehow, it feels like you're always behind. Why? Let's take Emma, a 28-year-old software engineer living in Chicago. She earns about $85,000 a year before taxes. After federal and state taxes, she takes home roughly $60,000. That's $5,000 per month. Sounds comfortable, right? Her monthly expenses look like this. Rent for a one-bedroom apartment, $1,800. Car payment, $450. Student loan payment, $350. Groceries, utilities, and subscriptions, $800. Credit card bills, $400. That leaves her with about $1,200 per month for discretionary spending. Seems fine, until you consider the subtle pressures that chip away at that remaining cash. Friends are traveling, restaurants are trending, new gadgets come out every season. Suddenly, that $1,200 vanishes faster than expected. Emma isn't overspending on luxury cars or designer bags. She's making normal choices, yet she never feels ahead. Here's the problem. The system is designed for consumption. Income rises, expectations rise too. Rent increases, lifestyle upgrades follow. Car payments go up, vacations become standard. Even weekend brunches feel normal. Let's do some simple math. If Emma kept her discretionary spending at $1,200, she could save $14,400 a year. But lifestyle inflation and small recurring costs, subscriptions, dinners, gadgets, consume $10,000 of that. Now she's only saving $4,000 per year, despite earning $85,000. This isn't dramatic mismanagement, it's a psychological trap. Humans naturally match the lifestyle of their peers. Each raise gets absorbed by lifestyle upgrades. Most people earn well, but the system, combined with human behavior, keeps them stuck. Why does this happen? There are two main reasons. First, relative wealth perception. People compare themselves to those around them, not to their long-term security. If everyone drives a new car, upgrading yours feels normal. Second, delayed consequences. Paying for extra dinners, subscriptions, or gadgets feels small now, but compounded over years, it prevents real financial growth. Imagine paying $300 extra per month in lifestyle upgrades. Over 10 years, without investment growth, that's $36,000 gone. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. If ignored, this pattern has consequences. Minimal emergency savings, no leverage to invest in assets, constant stress despite good income, feeling financially stuck even with raises and promotions. In Emma's case, 10 years from now, she'll have earned roughly $850,000 gross, but she might only have $80,000 to $100,000 in real savings, a fraction of what a financially intelligent plan could have achieved. This isn't because she's bad with money, it's because the default path, income plus lifestyle inflation, leads to stagnation. Now, let's see how financially intelligent people think. Take Alex, another 28-year-old engineer in the same city, earning $85,000. Same salary, same rent, same car. But one difference. Alex is conscious of his long-term financial trajectory. He doesn't see small lifestyle upgrades as rewards. He evaluates them against a bigger picture. Early financial independence, investments, freedom to take risks. Raises are mostly allocated to investments, not lifestyle inflation. Discretionary spending is deliberate. Every purchase is weighed against opportunity cost. The math works differently. That same $5,000 per month allocated sensibly could turn into $500,000 or more in invested assets over 10 years. The difference isn't luck, it's mindset. So why are most people stuck despite earning well? It's not always mistakes. Often, it's the subtle combination of system design, social pressure, and human psychology. Recognizing this is the first step towards awareness. The key takeaway isn't fear, it's clarity. Understanding how choices affect long-term financial growth empowers intelligent action, without guilt, without hype, just clear, rational decisions. If this perspective made you think differently about your financial habits, consider subscribing. The more we understand the mechanics behind money, the smarter we become. And that's the quiet power of financial awareness.